So in today's video, I will be going ahead and unboxing some inventory. Hey y'all, hey, it's TroyiaMonay back to y'all with another video. So in today's video, I will be going ahead and unboxing some inventory. Super excited to have new inventory in stock. Y'all, it's been a long time coming. Everything with the coronavirus, COVID-19 and everything like that, everything with the protesting and Black Lives Matter movement has definitely caused up a stir and definitely caused up some delays when it comes to shipping and different things like that. So super excited to have all of this new inventory, y'all. All of this, so excited. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started in the video. Also, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Comment down below. I want to be able to interact with y'all. If y'all have any questions or anything or any video requests, go ahead and leave them down below or hit me up in my DM at TroyiaMonay. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Yes, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first box I'm going to go ahead and unbox is going to be right here. If you guys haven't already, make sure you go ahead and check out my previous video, how to find the best wholesale vendors, or vendor secrets or something like that it's titled. I talked a lot about how you guys can go ahead and find vendors on Facebook. Yes, so there are vendor groups on Facebook from other boutiques who are selling their old merchandise that they probably can't get rid of, or new merchandise that it just doesn't fit the aesthetic of their business. So a lot of boutiques are definitely selling their merchandise in these videos. So this is where I got this from. So I don't remember her name, but thank you, girl, because these are definitely going to be bomb for my business. So these are some t-shirt dresses that are actually from one of my favorite vendors that I will share with y'all one day. But yes, so these are from one of my favorite vendors. I'll show you guys what one of them looks like. I opened this one. This will be the one that I'll probably model or keep for myself. We'll see. But these are t-shirt dresses. So this is what it looks like here, and it goes down. It's probably about knee length. And what I love about this is how soft it is. So this is their butter soft material here, and then it also comes with pockets. So that's why I love this vendor. All of their stuff is super stretchy, very nice, and very simple. And that's what we're going for this season since everybody's still stuck in the house. So yeah, I got these in the color. This is like a dark olive color, and then I also got it in this little like dusty coral color. So yeah, got these two from her. I only got one pack of each because that's all she had. So I believe it's like 2 small, 2 medium, 2 large, and 2 extra large, or maybe 1 small, 1 medium, 2 large, and 2 extra large, something like that. But yes, got these from her. Super excited about these. I don't know if they're gonna go in my new campaign. My new campaign is called Summer's Pending, so it's gonna be a lot of lilacs, a lot of pastels, a lot of summer, spring colors. So I might go ahead and either launch those dresses before or after. I haven't yet decided, but I did go ahead and grab some more of those dresses in black. So I got 2 packs by accident, y'all. When you're purchasing inventory, make sure that you go ahead and look over everything before you purchase it, because I only meant to actually buy 1 pack of those dresses in black, but I went ahead and ordered 2. But I mean, hey, they're black, so that's why I'm not too mad, because black always usually sells. So got some more of those dresses as well. So we got 2 packs of those. So we have them in olive, we have them in dusty coral, and we have them in black. So yeah, super excited about these dresses just because they're from my favorite vendor, and I know they're good quality, and I know they're top notch. Boom. Next up, I got some bodysuits. So these are the bodysuits that I ordered here. These will probably launch with that same thing, just because I don't feel like they'll go with the aesthetic of my campaign, Summer's Pending. So yeah, I got these bodysuits. This is what they look like here. I'll go ahead and insert a picture if I take pictures before this video or after this video is uploaded, we'll see. But yeah, this is what they look like here. They're in this like eggshell color, eggshell brown color. Really cute. I love neutrals. I feel like you can wear them with so many different things, so that's why I usually always try to get them. So I got them also in black, and then I also got them in white. Can't go wrong with white, black, neutral bodysuits, period. Up next, I got these two-piece sets right here. I'll go ahead and show y'all what they look like. This is from a whole completely different vendor, but I just went ahead and threw them in the box with this. So this is the top. It's like this tie-dye, which is kind of coming back in season, kind of becoming a little bit more trendy. And these are what the shorts look like. I'll go ahead and insert a picture of what these look like. But yeah, so it's like a little crop top, tank top, and then you have some biker shorts here. And I think that these are going to go definitely with my summer spending campaign, just because a lot of the colors that are in this coincide with a lot of the other colors that are more so solid. So these will kind of like tie in the entire campaign. So yeah, I got one pack of these, which was 2 small, 2 medium, 2 large, and 2 extra large. And then those also go up to extra large as well, which is great. Next, I'm so excited about these, y'all. So excited. This is also from the same vendor that the bodysuits and the dresses are from. Y'all, I'm in love. So these are some rompers. So they look like this. They're in the spring blue color, y'all. They are so freaking cute. Let me find one if I open one. I don't think I've opened any of these. But I'll go ahead and open one of these up just so I can show y'all. These are so freaking cute, y'all. Like, so cute. So this is what they look like. It's like this little ruche material here, if y'all can see it. Probably not. Y'all can see it probably now. It's like this ruche material, so it'll definitely snatch you and suck you in. And then the bottom are these like shorts that are just like free and loose, which is really what we need right now since everybody's kind of inside, kind of not. So this is definitely a piece that you can wear around the house, and you can also wear it when you're going to go get groceries or anything like that, because y'all, these numbers going back up. So we definitely need to stock more up on our at-home pieces. So I got these. I'll definitely go ahead and insert a picture of what they look like on either on me or on the stock image from the vendor. But yes, I got one pack of these, which is 2 small, 2 medium, 2 large, and 1 extra large, I think. So I got these. Got the same thing again in this like really pretty pink color, y'all. Look how gorgeous this pink is. Like, y'all can see it. Yeah, it's not gonna focus. But I got these, another color. Got these in there, like this like really nice soft pink color. Next, I also got the same romper again in purple. It's always great to have options when it comes to colors, because a lot of people might like the style, but they might not necessarily like the color. So it's always important to at least have 2 or 3, if the vendor allows, to have 2 or 3 different colors when it comes to your pieces. So I'll show y'all what this one looks like right here. So this one is like in a nice like purple lilac color. This is what it looks like. So bomb, so cute. And then all of these will be in my summer spending campaign as well. And then I'll probably go through and add and order another pack, because I feel like these gonna do really good, and I feel like they're gonna sell out, honey. So yeah, we're probably gonna order some more of these for sure. So yeah, we got that. That's pretty much everything from that vendor. I got another box right here, y'all, that just came in the mail. I gotta find some scissors. Y'all, I haven't even opened this at all. This is from one of my other favorite vendors that I haven't even gotten a chance to order from, just because their shipping is ridiculous. But I was like, I'm just gonna have a lot of patience. We're gonna breathe. We're gonna go ahead and order these items, and we're just gonna make it do what it do, just because I've been wanting to order from this vendor for so long. Their shipping prices are insane. I think this charged me $150 just for shipping. Mind y'all, the items within it are already like $200 and something worth of inventory in here alone. This is like 24, I think it's 25-pound box. So yeah, Shipping is crazy. Shipping is crazy. But I'm excited. So let me find some scissors and we're gonna make it do what it do. Alright, I got my scissors. So yeah, this vendor usually has a lot more simplistic styles, similar to the other vendor that I just showed y'all those items were from. They're very popular. A lot of your favorite boutiques use this vendor. Very simple styles, a lot of solids. They rarely have patterns, but they have a lot of really nice pieces. So I'm excited to see what they are all about, to see if it's worth the hype, to see if I'll even be continuing to purchase from them in the future. But yeah, most of this stuff in here will also be in my summer spending campaign as well. Yes! Yes! Y'all, I'm already excited. It's crazy. I got inventory everywhere. Y'all, I am so excited. The colors are perfect. Okay, y'all, so basically for my summer spending campaign, like I told y'all, it's going to be a lot of pastels. It's going to be a lot of summery, springy colors. If you look on my Instagram, I don't really do a lot of color. A lot of the things that I have are like really neutrals, or different things like that. I don't really do too much color, just because I kind of wanted to keep my boutique like that. I wanted to keep it very neutral. I wanted to keep it very simplistic. But I was like, summer coming up, man, we need some color. We need something to bring some excitement into our lives. And at this point, summer is pending, so that's kind of where I got the name from, because we're not really too sure if we're gonna have a summer or not. But y'all, these are perfect. Oh my god, y'all. So this is the color of the dresses. So I have some Bodycon dresses. These are perfect. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna open the medium just because that'll be the one I open anyway when I take pictures. So I usually only open the medium because that's the size I wear. Oh my god. Oh my, they're so soft. Okay, y'all. So this is the dress. It is a long Bodycon dress. And it's so soft. So this is the blue color. And then this is the blue color of the romper. So y'all, they are pretty much identical. They are identical in color. Oh my gosh. Perfect. So they are long. They look like they're like the midi dresses. So these are going to be these are going to do really good. These are going to be so dope. Oh my gosh. And the material is perfect. It's like not too thick, not too, oh my gosh, and it's like double lined. It's double lined in it. Yeah, this is perfect, y'all. It's like the spandex soft material on the inside, and then on the outside is also soft, but it's like really stretchy. This is gonna be dope, y'all. I cannot wait. I probably actually did. This is the dress here in this color that I purchased two of. I think I purchased two of it in blue, and I purchased two of it in pink. So that's gonna be dope because I know these are gonna go really, really fast. So I'm actually glad that I actually accidentally purchased two of them, 2 packs, because these are gonna go really, really fast. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Yay. So yeah, this is 1 pack here. So that is 2 small, 2 medium, 2 large. And then right here, I got it in purple. And this purple is a little bit darker than the purple of the romper, as y'all can see. So those don't actually match perfect, but it's like this nice purple color here, which is only got 1 pack of these. So this is 1 small, 2 small, 2 medium, 2 large. And then this is it in pink. So it's like a nice bubblegum candy pink. So these are gonna do really, really good. I'm so excited about these. Y'all, I cannot wait. So that's another package in pink. And then we have another package right here in the blue. So yeah, so we have the blue, we have the pink, and then we have the purple. And then as you guys can see in the romper, we have the purple, we have the blue, and then we have the pink. So the pinks are definitely a little bit off. As you guys can see, this one in the romper is a little bit lighter than the one in the dress, but we're gonna make it do what it do. And I'm super excited about it, y'all. Oh my gosh. Alright. So we got those. And then there's more. So we got these 2-piece sets. I'm going to insert a picture of what these look like because I don't want to take them out of the package. But these are two-piece sets that are like tank top. They tie in the front, and then they have like some bell-bottom pants to go with them. So they're all individually wrapped together, which is dope. So I don't have to go ahead and ship off two pieces per person. So they're already attached. So I got them in black. Right here, I got one pack of each of these. And then I got them in this really pretty yellow color. And then I also got them in this really pretty mauve pink color. So that's pretty much all the inventory. So as you guys can see, I kind of created a mini collection, as you guys can kind of see. So basically, these tie-dye pieces are what's going to kind of close the entire collection together, considering this is the only thing that's actually like a print. Everything else is solid. So I'm super excited about that. As you guys can see, it has the yellow, it has the black, it has the blue, it has the pink, has the purple in it. So these will kind of close the entire collection together. So yeah, I'm super excited. Everything looks great. Everything looks bomb. I can't wait to drop this stuff. Yeah. Alright y'all, so everything is nice and organized. I was going to show you guys the process, but I kind of felt like it was a little bit unnecessary considering I was just going ahead and putting everything in storage bins. But in here we have those tie-dye sets, we have those midi dresses, and then we have those two-piece sets down here. This is pretty much all from one vendor besides the tie-dye sets. In here we just have some old inventory at the bottom. So if you guys go on my site, you'll see those two-piece sets that I have, which are called the lounging around set. And then I have everything left down here from the Wanted Sport collection. Everything on top is just those t-shirt dresses. I went ahead and didn't put anything on hangers just because everything's already individually wrapped and I didn't want to unwrap it, hang it up, just to wrap it back up and send to the customer. So nothing's new up there. Down here we have these bodysuits. So we have all of them right here, and then we have all the rompers right here. So yeah, that's pretty much everything. That's usually how I go ahead and organize my inventory in storage bins, just because it's easier for now. But I know that as I grow, I'll probably need like bookshelves or something like that to just be able to like maximize the space. So I'm gonna go ahead and stack these up, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you're always uploaded when I upload a new video. And yeah, don't forget to follow me always on at TroyiaMonay and at Shop Wanted Wardrobe. See you guys in the next video. Peace.